Welcome back. Just a few examples here from section 6.2. So first thing I want to do is simplify the top and bottom inside the radicals. So there's the application of the exponent rules. 4 goes into both of those, giving me 2 over 25. So I'm going to rewrite that out. Now I'm thinking of, hey now. So I got an r cubed on top. I'm going to simplify that right away. Negative 20, an odd root of a negative, automatically a negative simplifies out. So that gives us that. Now I am going to think of the 25 as a 5 times 5, and I got to rationalize the denominator. So what I want is a perfect cube on the bottom. So I need another 5. So if I do cube root of 5 times 5 times this cube root of 5, that gives me what I need. Filling in the rest, 2 times 5 is 10, and then rewrite the simplified version. There we go. 1 minute. Do a couple more, I guess. Whoa. All right, so first I'm going to simplify the 2 over 2. Also simplify the 4 under the, man, you think I would figure this out. Simplify the 2 over 2, and also simplify out an x. Oh, shoot. And then I should have left an x inside here. Did I not do that? All right. So what I need to have is a cube root of 3 cubed x cubed. So I need to have 3 times this 3 times x squared. And then that will give me a perfect cube over here. The x over x cancels, and it gives me a 1 on top, and then the cube root of 3 cubed x cubed cancels to just 3x.